Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be cooking deer steak. And here's how. So first we need to season them with your preferred seasoning. Here's what we use. Okay guys, here's what we use. We use applewood rub, we use onion powder, garlic powder, salt, doesn't matter what type, and then we have ground black pepper. And then we usually poke them with a fork just to kind of soften them up, I think. So now we're actually getting the grill ready to cook at. Okay guys, and then I actually whittled this spoon right here. Got a dip in it, and then it says, where does it say it? It says the date, it says from a log, and then it has my initials. So, yeah, and I'm going to show you what I used. Okay guys, this is the whittling kit I used. I got it for my birthday. And yes, this is, I'm going to show you guys the things that I got for my birthday. So like I said, I got this whittling kit. Okay guys, and I got this gun right here. It's a cap gun. Okay guys, and then I actually got this really cool toy that is sensor powered. Okay guys, I'm going to Jake the cat. I'm going to shoot him. Cool, huh? Okay guys, I forgot to tell you, this is like the super sized 450 grain, like 900 million Magnum. It is like seriously like a foot long, and you're not finding a holster for this.
Just so you know.
Yeah, you have to clip these down, and then these bottles, they actually like snap like that. So when you shoot them, it's pretty cool, and then you put them back together.
Yeah, they're very cool, guys. They're like very, very, very cool.
And then you could stand up to like 20 or 30 feet with these.
And look, watch.
And then they'll like.
There's this little thing. You see it right here?
Yeah, it's right here.
See it right here, guys?
Yeah, this thing it's like a sensor. Once this goes off right here, that sends this up, which sends a can. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. Look. Here's what it looks like.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Okay, guys, it's me videoing again, and well, here's a superstar, Henry Jaramillo. Okay. Okay, guys, the meat is actually in here cooking. If you can listen, it's sizzling. And you leave it for about 15 minutes, and then turn it. Okay, guys, that was actually 15 minutes in total. And I'm going to go like the tiki torches. Hold on. Alright, once it starts dripping, throw it in there, make sure my hand hasn't got any. Light the match, like that. Boom. Done. And you could also relight the match.
If you can see, it's very long.
Okay, guys, and you turn them like every, let's say, 5 to 7 minutes until they look cooked, or technically up to 15 minutes. So yeah, I just figured that'd be a little something that could probably help you not burn them and turn them into charcoal.
This is actually Dave matching.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is a bad match. Finally. I just burnt it out.
Guys, that is crazy. Sometimes these matches never light. Sometimes they
I just turned them on upside down.
Sometimes they just never light up. This is actually Dave doing it once again. If you can see that, it actually...
Oh no! I'm turning it out! Oh, that's bad, guys. That is seriously bad.
Can't see.
Guys, don't tell me that's gonna turn out. No, guys, no, no, no.
It just turned out.
Forget about it. Okay, so there's the meat. I'm gonna show you them inside. This is meat. Yep. Shouldn't look pink. Well, too pink, and it shouldn't be bleeding. Okay, guys, here is the meat. To me, that's that's if you want your meat kind of like a grayish like that. So yeah, there is the meat. Okay.
If you guys can't tell, I'm gonna try it that way. That's the steak.
Yep. And sorry. This is a piece of meat.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum 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 yum.
Very good.
See you guys in the next video.